In this video we are going to talk about best stand mixer in this year, which is Delish by Dash Compact Stand Mixer. We will be going over the special key features of this product, and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Delish by Dash Compact Stand Mixer. Versatile, the Delish by Dash Stand Mixer is the perfect kitchen accessory for the budding baker or home cook looking to mix, beat, cream, or whip something up sweet or savory. Compact, weighing less than 5 pounds and standing only 10.5 inch tall, the Dash Stand Mixer fits underneath most kitchen cabinets. Perfect for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, or limited countertop space. Tilting head, the tilting motor head makes it easy to remove the stainless steel mixing bowl and eject the beaters or dough hooks. No more mess plus, the retro design and variety of trendy colors options will accent any kitchen. Adjustable slide, move the bowl from side to side so you can add or reincorporate ingredients while mixing. With 5 speeds ranging from gentle mixing to high-speed whipping, it's never been easier to find the perfect setting. Includes, Delish by Dash Stand Mixer is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty and includes a 3.5 QT stainless steel mixing bowl, 2 dough hooks and 2 mixer beaters. All non-electric parts are dishwasher safe. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.